Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone casually like you normally would, and bam, you see a $300 payment sent into your account, another $200 payment sent into your account, and now you have an extra $2,500 just sitting into your PayPal account. So if you guys want to know how to do this, then make sure that you type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So first things first, I want you guys to go on to this website, which is called flexjobs.com. So, on this website is where you can find a lot of international and work from home jobs that's actually available in a lot of different countries. Like over here, you're going to see that the number one job site is to find remote work from home and flexible jobs opportunities since 2007. They also offer full-time, part-time jobs, so it's very flexible for anyone. As you can see here, they're currently listing over 27,000 jobs from over 5,000 companies. So right there, when you go onto Google, and when you actually look up for Flex Jobs Review, you're going to find all sorts of reviews just talking about how the website is amazing, how it's 100% legit. There's just so many good reviews about Flex Jobs, so you can trust it. And in a few moments, I am going to walk you through the different categories, different jobs that are available, and all of the information that you need, all the examples, and all the bonus tips. So you just have to finish the video until the very end, of course. And I'm also going to show you how you're going to be able to make the most money and earn even more every single day. So right now, I'm going to not waste any of your time. We're just going to jump right into the sign up details. So all you got to do, okay, so just click on this button right here to get started now, or click on the sign up button, and from there it's going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to scroll down below. Sign up today to start your job search. So you're just going to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and you're going to confirm that. Put in your password, and then you're just going to click on this orange button to sign up today. So as soon as you've signed up for a free account, and you can immediately go into the find job section, and you're able to come on over to this page where you're going to find remote work from home and flexible job categories and explore more than 50 career fields. And look at this, all of these different categories for all of different work from home opportunities. Every single category, when you click on the down arrow here, you're going to find different subcategories where you can work as well. And there's so many, literally thousands of different work from home opportunities right now. So I want to give you the first bonus tip. That is one of the most famous bonus tips, and a lot of the people, they love this job because it's the data entry job. So you can also try the data entry job because a lot of people love this. But before we continue on,
make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then.
So again, don't forget the first bonus tip, the most famous one, is to actually try the data entry jobs because that is the best one, and that's where a lot of people like to apply because it's the one that you can do from home and it's the one that you can earn a lot of money as well. Second option, which is very, very good as well, you're going to go on to the editing section where you're going to click on this down arrow. You're going to then choose on proofreading. All you have to do is click on this link right here, and that's going to take you to these pages. You're going to see here you can find proofreading jobs, remote menu, can work internationally from anywhere around the world. You can work at comfort of your own home. It's flexible. You can do part-time, full-time. So let's go down below. You can see here there's so many different job opportunities. There are hundreds and hundreds of them, and they're going to pay you differently, obviously, depending on, what is the job post. So that all you can do, you can just click on the job title right here. You can see here, you can click on that and look for more information. So for example, this one blog editor, you can see here, full-time, 100% remote job. You can work internationally. Right here, when you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see a ton of pages of different job opportunities, basically, right? So now I just want to give you a quick demonstration where you're going to receive a proofreading job. So for example, you receive an article like this one, signs and symptoms of heart attack. So as you can see here, the entire list of an articles. They are literally pages and pages, that total of 7 pages. Now, you and I, we are not an expert to this. Obviously, we don't know how to proofread. We don't know anything about heart attack whatsoever. So what are we going to do, okay? I'm going to give you 2 free softwares. Number 1 is called paperreader.com. And number 2 is typically.com. And make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to show you how these work, okay? So first off, we're going to go with the first software. As you can see here, grammar and spelling check, free online proofreading. No download needed. You can just go and click on this button right here to use now for free, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see, 100% free. Just copy and paste your essay. So let's go down below. This is actually the box where you can copy and paste your text into. So you're going to put in a few settings. You're going to click on this button right here. You're going to agree to the terms of service. And you can just click on this button right here to get a full report and let the software to do all the work for you. So right now, all we're going to do is just go back to our job, go back to a document that we received. And then we're going to go highlight, copy everything. We're going to go back to the software, paste everything, and then the settings that you have to set, okay, important, you have to pay close attention. So for education level of the paper, and then you're going to choose graduate school, okay, or master. And for the type of paper you're going to submit, you're going to choose on thesis or dissertation. And then all you're just going to do is click on this right here. After you read the terms of service, you just click on this button right here to get a report. As you can see here, your submission is being processed. It's going to take a few seconds. You're going to let it load. And boom, there you go. The analysis is complete. They're going to run a whole report on the entire article. Look for all the spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, different corrections with just one click of a button. And you're going to see all of the corrections and all the proofreading done for you. So as you can see here, they actually find a correction that's needed, and they're going to do that automatically for you. So that you don't have to do any qualification. You don't have to be good in English. You can just do a good job by using this software. If you have extra experience, then you're all good to go, right? And the next software is called typely.com. Now, once you come over to the website, all you have to do is just click on this button right here to start editing. Again, the work very similar. All you're going to do is just paste the entire article, all your text into this box, and they're going to start running all the report, the analysis, finding all the grammar corrections, grammar errors, spelling errors. And as soon as it's done, you can just save the document. It's as simple as that. So this is an example of the proofreading job, some of the software that's going to help you do it to make your job much easier. Right now, I'm going to show you an example of a writing job. As you can see here, when you click on write, and then you're going to click on this down arrow, you can choose on different writing jobs. For example, content writing. So if you click on online content, and that's going to take you to this page, you're going to find online content jobs. Once again, there are hundreds and hundreds of jobs available that you can do from home. You can work from home, and you can just actually go to articlesfactory.com where you can actually draw inspiration from and ideas. Basically, this website is that they have a lot of copyright-free articles that you can get that also covers a lot of different categories. So there's health, business, finance, travel, technology, and a lot of them, there's so many articles that you can copy and paste, and that's like a great way to get started. And you can find a lot of ideas or different articles that you can write. And of course, I do highly encourage you to add it to words and put it on your own opinion, putting your own sentence in the paragraph, your own ideas. And once again, that's what's gonna make it different, make yours different. And you're gonna be able to earn up to $180 daily, because of course, you're gonna do their jobs much better. So that's pretty much it. Make sure you go on to flexjobs.com for more job opportunities. Use the softwares that I've shared with you. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.